we'll guide you through how to use relationships in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to ClickUp.com by entering the website address into the address bar. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. Choose the login method you want to use, such as signing in with your email address associated with your ClickUp account. Enter your email address in the required field and ensure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your ClickUp account and continue to your workspace. Open the list within the space that you want to use and make sure you are working in the correct location before continuing. Make sure you already have several tasks that you want to relate to one another, since relationships can only be created between existing tasks. To use relationships, first create a relationship field by clicking the plus icon next to the existing fields. In the search bar, type relationship and select it from the search results. Enter a name for the relationship field according to your needs, for example, as shown in the video. Next, choose what the relationship field should relate to. For this example, select any task in your workspace so you can relate tasks from anywhere in your workspace. If needed, configure the available settings and permissions. For this example, keep the default settings if they already match your preferred workflow. After reviewing the field configuration, click Create to add the relationship field to your list. To use the relationship field, click the relationship field in the task that you want to update. Choose the task or tasks that you want to relate. You can select multiple tasks if needed, allowing a single task to reference several related tasks at the same time. You have now successfully used relationships in ClickUp.